Did you know that Time Doctor has a Google Chrome browser extension that makes it even easier to accurately track time without having to open the Time Doctor desktop app? Not only does it integrate with Office 365 and many G Suite apps, but it also integrates with tons of web-based project management tools like Jira, Trello, Asana, and many more. If you're using Chrome and haven't added the Time Doctor extension yet, you're missing out. So in this video, we'll teach you how to enable the Chrome extension for your users, then how to install it, and finally, how to use it to track time spent on tasks using apps outside of Time Doctor. First, let's enable the extension for users on your Time Doctor account. Step 1 is to make sure that you have an interactive account and that projects and tasks are activated. You can check to see your account status by going to the Settings dropdown and selecting Company Settings. Next, to enable the Google Chrome extension, go to the Integrations page found in the Settings drop-down menu at the top navigation bar. Use the drop-down at the top left to turn integrations on. Once that's done, any existing employees using Time Doctor will receive an automatic notification on their desktop app, prompting them to download the extension. From now on, anytime that you invite a new employee to use Time Doctor, they'll install the Chrome extension as part of the setup process. That's it. You can also choose to send your existing employees a link to the Time Doctor Chrome extension on the Chrome Web Store. You can either search the store for Time Doctor, making sure that you select the extension that corresponds to the version of Time Doctor you're using, or just click the download button on the top navigation bar of the Time Doctor web app and follow the link to the Chrome's web store. From there, copy the URL and send the link in a message. Whoever receives it will simply click on the link and follow the instructions to download and install the extension on their own. After the extension is downloaded and installed, the Time Doctor logo will show up in the browser's extension bar. Now, when it comes to actually using the extension, it couldn't be easier. Thanks to the seamless integrations with popular web apps, users will now see the Time Doctor branded Start Timer button alongside tasks and projects in the tools that they use throughout the day. When they click the Start button, the tasks will be linked to Time Doctor and tracked in the Time Doctor app under the same name used in the integrated tool. That means that specific projects and tasks will now show up in the Time Doctor reports, making it easier to see exactly how much time is being spent on them. It's that simple. Now you're ready to take advantage of the Time Doctor Chrome extension to make tracking time spent on tasks and projects even easier. Thanks for watching.